Everything is fine now. Okay. So I already explained, right? See that here. See what is that user password and a set granted authority, right? We have need to take these three arguments. So in this which memory guys user, right? User. So already see there are three arguments are there, right? There are what? Three arguments are there now. Okay. So here what is that username? First what is that we have need to take from the username, right? Username we have need to take some what user data, right? User data. Okay, so but this is the list of multiple data is there, right? Multiple. It's not meaning that user, what is that username is only one. Okay, username is what? Only one. So sorry, roles, we have need to take the roles from what user details, right? User details. So only one role is, it's not meaning that multiple roles will be there. Okay, multiple roles, see admin and employee, both multiple roles are there, right? Multiple roles is there inside that what, inside our application. So this one will become what is that list of string, right? But this roles is string only, right? This roles is what, string only. So now fine, what is that, what we will do now, list, take the list of what string, right? Take the list of what string, right? Take the list of string roles, right? Low roles. Okay, so no, first I don't want to make you confused, right? I don't want make you people confused. Okay. Hmm. Username, first what is that, what we have need guys, user names, right? User names we have need. Okay, so user names already we have, right? Copy this one and paste it. Okay, we got it. Okay, this is the usernames we are getting now. Okay, but password also we need, right? Password we have need to want password, right? So password also, where the password is there in the user, what is that user model class, right? So what we will do now, user, we will take the user dot, what is that user dot, what is that guys, get 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 what is that user password, right? Okay, we are getting the user password also, right? We are getting the user password also, but authority, right? Authority means what, roles, what is the roles are there guys? What is the admin and the employee? This is what list of authority or not guys, come on, this is what list of authority, right? So if we want to row, okay, so what is that, again come inside that, what is that, the list of what is that, granted authority. This is what granted authority, we have need to give the authority to access what is that our pages, right? So now what we will do now, so come here guys, come and let's see that. Okay, so we have need what is that roles means nothing but what is that authority, right? So already authority is there in the model class, right? Model class. So what we will do now guys, what we will do now, take the user dot, what is that, get roles are there, right? Get roles. Okay, and roles return type is what, list, right? List of string, right? So list of string. Okay, so now what I'm going to do now, I'm holding here, what is that, list of what, string, list of what, string. So in our application what is that, roles we are getting, right? Roles, this is the roles. Okay now, so roles we are getting now. Okay, but what is that we have need, what is that granted authority, right? Granted set of granted authority guys, see that what is that we have need, what is that, this this area. Now we are going to work on what, this area guys. Okay, so granted authority, so let's create it. What is that, I said that already, what is the granted authority is what, interface. Okay, interface. Okay now, so we have need to store inside that what, granted authority, what, rules, all rules we have need to store in what, granted authority. So now come inside that, what is that, what we will do now next, what is that, set of, what is that, set, take the set collection here, what is that, granted, granted authority, right? Granted authority. Now what I'm taking now, guys, authority. Copy this one, authorities. Okay, authorities equal to new, just I'm taking what is that, has set. New, what is that, has set. Has set, right? Has set granted authority. If you not check here general type, it's still working, right? So now here what is that, list of, right? A list of what is that, authorities is there, right? List of what is that, authorities is there, guys. Okay, so but how we can add the roles inside that granted authority, right? So what we will do now, we have need to iterate it, right? So here what we will do now, we will take the for each condition, guys. Okay, for each condition. Now inside that what is that, so just I'm taking what is that, string, right? String role comma roles, right? We will take this one. Okay, we will take this roles. Okay, now what we will do now, just I'm pasting. Okay, so after then what we will do now, we have need to add this one. We have need to add the role inside that authority, right? We have need to store the what is that, roles inside that authority. So what is that, copy this one and let's paste dot add, right? Dot add. Okay, so here what is that, inside that what is that, it's this is the interface, right? Interface, this is the granted authority. What is that, guy? Interface. Its implementation class is what, simple granted authority, right? Okay, so we know that we are not able to create what is that, granted authority. We can, so what we will do now, its implementation class, we will take that, its implementation class, simple what is that, simple granted authority. Simple granted authority, and inside that what we will do now, this argument, what is that, all rows we will pass it here. That's it, right? Now logic is completed. Okay, after then what we will do now, after then what we will do now, guys, after then what we will do now, this one we will pass in the user object, right? So now after then we will return this object, we will return this object. Now the logic is completed, guys. Okay, the service class logics be completed. Okay, so fine now, guys. Okay, so now yesterday we write what, security class, right? Security class. Let's go on this area and let's work on that, right? Now till now things be completed, guys. Okay, now what we are doing that, here what is that, here username will put the data, right? Sorry, user will insert the data, right? Insert the data, it will go to what is that, directly database, and it will return to model class, right? Model class, and the model class will store the username, password, and granted authority is nothing but what, roles will store in the user memory. After then it will give to what, it will give to what, our web security configurer adapter, where we will write the information about what, our controller, which page will access whom, which page will access whom. So now let's work on last area, guys. Okay, let's go ahead in the last area of what, our application, right? So now fine. Okay, so let's go and let's work on this area, guys. Okay, let's work on what is that, user, what is that, read user object, right? First what we will do now, guys, read user object, right? Read what, user object. Now so let's work on this area, guys. Let's work on this area. So what is that, come inside that, what is that, come inside that application, right? Now close this one. Okay, this area work is completed now. Okay, so here next what we will do now, come inside that, what is that, configuration, right? Come inside that what, configuration, guys. Okay, configuration. Now right click, create one class, create one class. Inside that what we will do now, guys, what is that, application security, application security. Now finish it. So if you want to make this one, if you want to write the yesterday, now from here onward, yesterday things will be there in memory. How we are doing, right? Same thing, but here we will do the based on that what, database, right? Based on that we will perform what, database operation, guys. Okay, now so now what is that, web security configurer adapter, right? oh sorry, extend security web web security configurer adapter. Okay, so inside that, guys, how many yesterday we seen that Alt Shift S plus V, two method, right? Which one? Configure an authentication manager builder, and what is that? HTTP security. These two method we need it. Okay, so we overridden what is that? Both method. Okay, we overridden what? Both method. Okay, now from here onward, yesterday things, just what is the extra things, guys? We completed now. Whatever extra things we completed now. Okay, so now come here, right? So from here onward, the same things. This web security configurer we extended, right? We extended in our what? Our application now. Okay, okay. So now here, what is that? All information is there in which object, guys? Which object, guys? User detail service, right? This is nothing but what is that? Interface. So now what we will do now? What we will do now, guys? Here, take that one. Okay, private. What is that? User detail, right? User detail service, right? User detail service one. Just I'm taking, right? Okay, make this one as a what? @AutoWire. @AutoWire. Fine. So another one more things we need, guys. Okay, password encoder, right? Password encoder. So what is that? Private bcrypt, right? Bcrypt encoder. Bcrypt encoder. I'm taking it. This one also make as what? This one also make as what? @AutoWire, right? Now fine. Okay, so now things is completed, guys. Okay, so here yesterday what we are doing now, guys, we are creating in memory, we are taking, right? So here inside that, come inside that, here we have need to take what is that? Auth dot, what is that? Auth dot user detail. Today we will take what is the user detail service, right? User detail service. Inside that we will pass this one, right? We will pass this one as a argumented. Now after then what is that? We will encrypt the, what is that? Encrypt. Our Spring framework will decrypt that, what is that? Password. So for that, what is that? Password encoder, right? Password encoder method is there. Inside that, what we will do now? We will pass this one. Okay, that's it, guys. That's it. This one will take care of each and everything from the database. Okay, so now come inside this. Now this things is completed. Okay, so now here, come in this section. Okay, come in this section and open our what? Open our what? Controller class, guys. Okay, open our what? Controller class, because we have need to see based on this one only pages, right? Okay, so now come here. Okay, so here, but before doing that, okay, guys. So if only get is there, then there is no problem. But here, what is that? Different methodology we are using, right? Get, post, both, right? Get, post. So for that, to activate both things, right? To activate both things, what we will do now? HTTP dot, what we will do now? What is that? CSRF, right? CSRF we will make by default. This is the enable. We have need to make what is that? Disable, guys. Otherwise you will get what? Problem. You will get problem. You can't make what is that? Both post and get method. You can make only what? Get type request, but you can't make what? Post type request. If you want to mix up both things, okay, then you have to do these things. Okay, take this reference, and what is that? CSRF disable. Make this one as a disable. Okay, so this one we have need to write what? Extra things. Okay, so now from here onward, let's write that. Okay, what is that? I'm going to write what is that? HTTP dot, what is that? Authorize request, right? Authorize request, guys. Okay, authorize what? Authorize request dot and measure. Okay, inside that, what I'm going to do now, guys? Inside that, come inside that controller, right? So I'm going to imply here. I taken what is that? Class level, multi-level, it will become, right? Employee. Everyone can, what is that? Everyone can register, and user data can see that. Okay, register, and what is that? User data, right? User data. Yeah, everyone can register, right? Register, see the register page and see the data. So what we will do now, copy this URL guys, okay? Copy this URL, but class level we are taking employee, right? So slash emp slash take this one, okay? Now, okay, so another things, one more things, okay? And same thing, okay? Same thing, what is that? Slash emp slash what is that? Emp slash what? Emp slash what? Next, what is that? Everyone can save the data also, right? Everyone can save the data. We will give the everyone in the application, everyone permission, right? Everyone permission. Now, okay, so fine, these two things we are given, right? We are given, okay. Okay, so now dot permit all, guys. These things already yesterday I explained. I hope no need to explain again and again this line, okay? I hope no one need, right? Everyone is understanding these lines. Come on, yeah, use the chat box. Come on guys, come on. Because of that yesterday I explained what in memory. Use everyone chat box. I need everyone what answer, guys. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so now what is that ant authorized request? What is that ant matcher, guys? Okay, all permit, everyone can do these things. Okay, now in the application, right? In the application, everyone can. What is that register the detail? Okay, user detail. Everyone can do it. Okay, everyone can do it. After then, what is that admin, right? What is that? How many things be given on the form, guys? How many in the database? Admin and employee, two authorities we have, roles be given, right? Two roles we are given. Okay, based on that, okay, let's admin, right? Come here, what is that? HTTP, sorry, dot ant matcher, right? Ant matcher, okay? Inside that ant matcher, again, what is that? Slash emp slash what? Emp slash what? Emp slash what, guys? I'm giving what? Admin, right? Has any authority. I'm giving what? Okay, no, fine. What is that? I'm giving to, what is that? Uh, admin, right? Admin person. I'm giving to admin can see the data, show the data, means fill the form. After then another one more things. What is that? Slash emp slash what? Slash emp slash what? See the data and the data also, right? Then save the data also, can save the data also, right? Save the data also. Now fine, okay. So now here again another one, another facility also can give. What is that? List of data, and admin can see the list of data also, right? Admin can see the list of data also, right? So what is that? Slash emp slash emp. Now fine, okay. So next one what? Next one what, guys? Next one what? Edit. Admin can edit also, right? Admin will give the edit also. Our project data can edit also, right? So now comma, what is that? Slash emp, right? Slash emp slash what? Edit. We are giving what? Edit. Edit, right? Right, edit. Now I'm giving what? Edit. Okay, now update also. Now I'm giving what? Update also, right? Edit. And another facility I'm giving to admin. What is that? Admin, what is that? Slash emp slash what? Emp slash update, right? Update also. Now again come in the controller. Again I'm giving to him, to whom? What is that? Delete also. Admin person can delete also, the data can delete also, right? So comma, what is that? Emp slash what is that? Paste it. Paste the delete operation, right? These many operation can do. What is that? Admin has any authority. Authority only. I'm taking what is that? has authority. To whom authority? Whom authority has authority, right? What is that? Admin. Admin person, right? Admin. ADMIN, right? Admin person. Admin person authority having what? Admin can do what is that? Admin can do what is that? Can see the data also, and store the data also, and see the list data also, and edit also, and update and delete. All operation can perform whom? Admin person, right? Now another one is what, guys? Another one is what? Dart and matcher, right? I'm going to give what? Authority to whom? Authority to whom? Employee, right? Employee. I want to give what? Employee this much authority only, right? This much authority. What is that? What authority we will give, guys? We will give the admin, sorry, employee, means register, save the data, and can see list, can see the data, but we will not give the authority to edit the data, update the data, and delete the data, right? This authority we will not give to employee, right? We will not give this authority to employee, only we will give this operation, right? So now show the data. Now what we will do now? Come in a application, right? Application security. Now slash, what is that? Emp slash what? Okay, okay, thank you. Now fine, right? Thank you so much. Okay, so now, okay guys, so again, what is that? Next comma, what is that? Comma, what is that? Slash, what is that? Emp slash what? Slash emp what? We will give another authority, what? Another data, right? To save the data also, right? To what? Save the data. Okay, so I give it. Now another one is what, guys? Another one is what? Slash emp slash what? Slash emp slash what? To see the list of data, right? To see the list of data. Now what is that? Fine. Okay, so dot has authority. Has authority. What is that? Employee. EMPLOY. Okay, so now fine, guys. So come inside that. What is that? This one. Reading the object, reading user data, guys. Here, see that in this area, what is that? We are using the user data, reading the user data, right? We completed now. Okay, so after then, what is that? Validate username and password. Okay, and if validation, okay, validation, this operation we will perform. Now here specify validation even roles also, right? So now specifying the this page handling, right? This page we are going to perform it, right? So now come inside that. What is that? Now till now the things is completed, right? So now come here dot and, right? And method. After then what we will do now? Login form also we need, right? Login form, right? Login form. After then login, after login, right? I want what? I want what? To home page, guys, we created, right? This home page, right? We created this home page by default. Whenever our successfully, if our application is what? Logging now, so this home page I need. Okay, this home page. Okay, so now what we will do now? Dot, what is that? Dot default, right? Default success URL. Default, what is that? Success URL. Inside that what we will do now, guys? Slash emp slash, what is that? We will give, what is that? Home page, right? Home page. Come inside that, paste it. Okay, now comma, make as a true. Okay, so after then what is that? Log out. I want, what is that? Dot and what? And what is that, guys? And what is that? Form logout. Dot form log, sorry, login, right? Form login. Okay, oh sorry, it's my mistake. Logout. Form, what is that? Logout. Okay, so now we are logging out that one. Okay, after then, okay, and dot and, guys. Okay, dot and, sorry, dot and if any exception occurred, right? If any exception occurred, if anything is not matched, right? If anything is not matched, dot exception handling, right? Exception handling dot access denied. access denied what page, right? Access denied page. Inside that, what is that slash emp slash what is that? Come inside the controller class, guys. What is that? Deny page is there, na? Deny page. Copy this one and paste it. Now code is completed, guys. Okay, our security code also completed. Okay, so before doing this one, okay, so we have need to activate what is that filter, right? We have need to what? Activate what is that filter. So we have need to what? Activate what is that filter. Now come inside here. Okay, guys, come here. Where inside the app init, right? App init, take one class. Take one class. Right click, new class, right? What is that? Just I'm taking what is that? Security. Security init, right? Init. Okay, I init. Now just what we will do now, here extend what is that? Abstract security web initializer, right? That's it, guys. Okay, nothing more than this. Now the things is completed. Let's run the application and what we will see the things. Okay, what is that? We will see the things. Okay, so now I'm going to run the application now, guys. Okay, so see that. Okay, see that, right click, run server. Guys, I'm stopping the screen. Just after running the application, I will. Okay. Oh, 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 oh. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you, thank you. Stereotype, yes, guys. Where? Yes, yes, yes. Correct, correct, correct. Security, right? App security. Yes, yes. Thank you. At the rate, what is that? At the rate, what is that? Uh, Configuration, guys. Okay, we have need to apply what is that configuration. I forgot this one. And another one more at the rate, what is that? Enable what is that? Web security. Enable web security. These two annotation we have need here. Okay, and one more things here. Okay, come inside that app application right here, and one more things we have need to do here. What is that, guys? What is that? At the rate import. At the rate import, inside this one, what we will do now? Security app, right? App security, right? App. What is the class name? App security. App security dot class. Okay, now fine. The thing is completed, guys. Now let's run the application. Just I'm stopping the screen sharing, guys. Okay. After running the application, I will share again. Yes. Now our application is running now, guys. Okay, so now copy this one and come to what browser. Yeah, here I'm pasting this one. Okay, so now employee register. Okay, so here just I'm going to give what one. I'm taking just Padma name, right? Padma, Padma at what is that? P at the rate gmail.com, right? Gmail.com password just I'm taking 12345. Okay, I'm giving the permission admin plus employee also, right? Now register it. User details save one successfully, right? One more I'm giving what in the meeting ID only. Let's take another person name. Okay, another person name is what? Let's take Ganesh name, right? Ganesh. Ganesh. Okay. So now just I'm taking G at the rate gmail.com. Okay, so again I'm password 12345 only I'm giving, right? I'm giving his authority to employee only, right? Employee. Another one more person, let's take. Okay, Raj. Okay, Raj. And what I'm going to take R at the rate gmail.com, right? Her also 12345 password. Okay, so again I'm giving admin only, right? Now okay, so three. See that in the database, come in the database, right? See now refresh it. Three roles are there. One, two, three, four, right? Four roles are there, and what two, three, one, two, three, three ID. Four roles plus three ID come inside that what user tab, right? View that user tab, and what is that? P P at the rate gmail.com, G at the rate gmail.com, and R at the rate gmail.com, right? R at the rate gmail.com. And what is that? One P I given what is that first ID? What I given role? Both, right? Both. So admin employee, what is that? One is having what is that? Admin also and employee also. Now what we will do now, guys? So let's take what is that username. What is that? First one p at the rate gmail.com and password we taken. This is the encrypted format. We can't read in the database, right? So but we know that 123, right? So what we will do now, just make the request to whom, guys? So then we will get the login page. See that we are not directly, our application directly is not going what to show the data, right? So what we will do now, we will log in the session, right? So what is that? What is that? P at the rate gmail.com, right? Now password is what? 12345. Okay, now sign in. Something, what is the unexpected token from near line one? Okay, column one from, it's saying that in the database, right? Some from near one. Okay, okay. So some error is there in the DAO layer, guys. Okay, come inside what? DAO implementation user, right? I'm opening the user. What is the error?
Sir, ending 0 is there in user mail is equal to question mark after.
Correct, right? One minute. Let's see the error on the console.
From is rank is
Sorry.
from is rank.
Oh, yes. Correct. So here, right here, this is the wrong. Now fine, na? Fine, guys. Okay. So again, what we have need to do now, guys? Again, we have need to run the application, right? Okay, let's stop the server. Okay, so now let's run the application. Now run it. I'm just stopping again the screen, right? Again screen because it will not run it. Okay, now fine. So again, come here, right? So again, we are restarted, right? So what we will do now? Register, employee register. What is that? I'm giving what? Padma at the rate what I add p at the rate gmail.com. 1 2 3 4 5, right? I'm giving the permission roles. Roles are admin and employee both. Now register it. One data is stored. Now another one is what? I'm giving what? Raj r at the rate gmail.com. 1 2 3 4 5, right? Right? Just I'm giving what? Admin permission. Okay. Now another one is what? Ganesh, right? We are given Ganesh, right? Now G at the rate 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Now I'm giving employee permission to him. Now 3 is there, right? 3 records are there. Now I'm going to what? I'm going to what? So show the data. Just I'm clicking the show the, but directly it's not going to show. It's asking, okay, first uh, I want to check authentication, right? Then I will give the authorization to use the pages. Okay. First, what is that? Put your authentication. If you are authenticated person, then I will give what? Authorization to what? Access my pages. So what I will do now? P and what is the password? 1 2 3 4 5. Now click on that. See that, guys? By default now, by default, what is a welcome to our employee homepage is coming or not? Come on, yaar. See, means this username and password is correct. Because of that, we are getting this home page, guys. Okay, because of the this region, we are getting the what? This home page or not? Come on. Okay, so now next one is what? Next one is what, guys? Next one is what? Next. Okay, so but access permission. Okay, Padma, I given the access permission to what kind of operation you can do it now? What kind of operation? Security. Open the security page, right? Open the security code. What is that? What operation she can do now? She can do all operation. Show the data, delete the data, list the data, employee, edit the data, update and delete everything she can do it, right? Everything she can do it now. Okay, so now come inside that. What? Come in the application, guys. Within the 1 minute again meeting will end. Okay, please reconnect. We completed the application, but all conclusion is there in the whatever we put our energy, right? We put energy inside what? Inside to develop our application, right? So you have to more focus on what? Output also or not. So within the 1 minute, right? Meeting will end. Okay, reconnect yourself and enjoy your last step of what? Our spring security. We are just now within the 10 to 15 minutes, our spring security will complete it. Okay, our spring security will complete it. But see, our meeting ID is just what is that? Less than 1 minute. It's showing that what? Less than 1 minute. Okay. So, okay. So next, what is that? Come on the browser. Okay. So here, what we will do now? Just so I'm writing now. I'm writing what? So URL. So